Hi everyone, welcome back to Genius Junkie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing app that allows you to create stunning videos. Tap on New Project to start creating your video. You will be prompted to select the media files you want to use in your project. Choose videos and photos from your device's gallery, then tap Add to import them into CapCut. Once your media files are loaded, you'll see them displayed on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can easily rearrange the order of your clips by dragging them left or right on the timeline. If you want to add text to your video, tap on the Text button. Choose a text style and enter your desired text. You can customize the font, color, and size of the text and drag it to position it anywhere on the screen. CapCut also allows you to add music to your video. Tap on the Audio button, and you can either choose from CapCut's music library or upload your own audio files. Adjust the volume and sync the music with your video for a perfect fit. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to use CapCut to create amazing videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching and happy editing with CapCut.